Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I show you how you can secure and password protect your USB pen drive in Windows 10 PC. For this purpose, you don't need to download any third-party software in your Windows computer for securing and password protecting your pen drive. We only use BitLocker drive encryption tool in Windows for encrypting and securing your pen drive in Windows PC. As you know, BitLocker drive encryption is integrated software in all Windows versions. So this trick works in Windows versions very smoothly. So let's get started. Right click on the removable disk drive on your computer and select Turn on BitLocker option. From here, you'll move into the next window which says that BitLocker drive encryption and check the radio button next to the user password link. Enter the password for your USB encryption drive and re-enter it to confirm the password. Once the things are done, click next button. Now remember that you want to back up the recovery key on your Windows. For this purpose, click on Save to File and save your recovery key in text format on your computer. Make sure you save recovery file in your computer, not on your USB drive, because if you forget your BitLocker password, you can recover it through this recovery file. You can also upload this file on any cloud drive for extra backup. I'm going to save this file on my desktop so for later purpose. Now click next, and once you click on next button, you'll see that a window says that how much of your drive to encrypt. I recommend that you encrypt entire drive. It is slower, but it is best for PCs and drives already in use. Click on next button and it is say that are you ready to encrypt this drive. Click on start encrypting. Once start encrypting, this kind of windows appear. The process starts. It will take some time, so sit back and relax. I'm going to pause the video till it is done. Welcome back. The drive is 99.7% encrypted. I am waiting for the rest 0.3%. I have to wait a long time because my disk drive was of 32 GB and it was almost filled, and only almost 900 MBs are free. So I think it took a lot of time for me. But if your drive is of smaller GBs, then you will be able to encrypt your drives very fast. See, it says that it is of 31 GB used, and once it is done, unplug the eject the USB and plug it out. Now plug the USB back in, and it says that the drive is BitLocker protected. Double click. I recommend that you go to drive and double click on it, and it asks for the password to unlock this drive. Go for the password and type the password you set on encryption. Type the password and click on unlock button, and you are good to go. The drive is now unlocked, and I hope you like my video. If yes, please like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Earning Tricks on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.